You want one? Two, please. Peanut butter. All right, now where'd Taylor go?
She went to the bathroom.
To the bathroom. That is fine.
That is exactly the kind of thing we want to catch on
John,
camera.
I would like you to start adding more to Taylor's, and I would like you to finish off that chocolate. But remember, you didn't feel anything. You really want to dig the edge into the chocolate. All right, ready for the fun part?
Put it in the bag.
I'm going to give you this, and I want you to scoop this into the bag. I want you to...
Hi, Taylor.
I have no idea if it was made that way.
Taylor's bag.
I want you to scoop that into this bag. Alright. Remember, John, I want to feel you really digging that edge into the chocolate. Alright, now Taylor's back. Would you mind if she did a little bit? What?